C program for solving quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Its roots are minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. A, b, c are the coefficients of the quadratic equation. This is also called as algebraic equation of second degree quadratic equation. Theory: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Its roots are minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Define the discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac, we take it as d and call it as discriminant. Case 1. When this d, this quantity is greater than 0, then the roots will be real, because square root of a positive number will be positive or negative, but it is real. So minus b plus that number, minus b minus that number. So the roots will be real and different. The roots will be x1 equal to minus b plus root of d divided by 2, and x2 is equal to minus b minus root of d. Next case, when case 2, when d equal to 0, this quantity is 0, so roots will be minus b plus 0, 1 and minus b minus 0 with the denominator 2a. So when d equal to 0, the roots are equal and real. x1 is equal to minus b by 2a and x2 is also the same. Case 3, when this discriminant is less than 0, negative, then square root of a negative number is an imaginary number. This will be a real number and this will be an imaginary in this case. So we will have a complex roots. So the real part of the root will be minus b by 2a, and the imaginary part will be root of minus d divided by 2a. I we have taken outside. So minus we have taken outside, and root of minus is I, and other quantities minus d is a positive number. Since d is a negative 1 and minus d will be positive 1. So imaginary part will be root of minus d by 2a, and the roots will be real part plus imaginary part, I in the imaginary part, because we have taken I outside. This is x1, and x2 will be here plus and minus are there. So x2 will be real part minus imaginary, I in the imaginary part. So this is a theory. We want to write the C program for this. So in C programming, include studio.h, Kanye.h, math.h. These header files should be included for input output commands, for some constant input output commands, and if any mathematical functions are there, we have to include these header files. And we have to start with void main and a brace. First one is floating point variable. What are the variables we are taking? Here A, B, C are the coefficients of the quadratic equation. We get to define discriminant. So these are the variables required, and x1, x2 are two roots. In the case of third case, we will have real part and imaginary part. So these are the variables we want. These variables will be floating point variable. So we declare the variables. Next, we clear the screen. That is, the previous screen, if it has been written anything, it will be cleared out. Next, print off. Give the values of the coefficients of the quadratic equation a, b, and c, and /n means next line. So when we run this program, it will print this one. Give the values of the coefficients of the quadratic equation a, b, and c. It will be printed, and the cursor will go to the next line. And this command, scanf percentage of f, percentage of f, percentage of f, ampersand a, ampersand b, ampersand c. So three variables are there. the command is executed, we will give three numbers which will be stored in A, B, C respectively. Next, we define discrement is equal to minus B square, B into B minus 4 multiplied by A times C. And every statement should end with semicolon in C program. Case 1, we remember when D is greater than 0, the roots are real and different, and x1 is this much and x2 is equal to this much. We have already discussed. So this is a mathematical language. We translate it into the C program. Both are languages. This is a mathematical language. This is C programming language. So when D equal to greater than 0, this means if discrement is greater than 0, the bracket. These statements inside this brace will be executed. When discrement is greater than 0, print of the roots are real and distinct. And the next line. So it will be printed. The roots are real and distinct or different. X1 is equal to minus b plus root of. Root of means sqrt discrement. So this is the bracket minus b plus or minus root of. So this bracket is for discrement. And this bracket is for numerator. And divided by the denominator is 2a. So denominator we use a bracket 2 times a, 2 star a, semicolon. So x1 will be this one and x2 the same thing with the plus sign, here minus sign. Then print of the roots are percentage of f and percentage of f. x1 comma x2. Whatever calculated in x1. So these things are calculated and assigned to this variable x1. And here these things are calculated and stored in this variable x2. So x1 and x2 answers will be there. When this statement is executed, print of the roots are this one, that is x1, and this one here at this place x2 will be printed. Next case 2 we have discussed already. When t equal to 0, x1 and x2 will be equal to minus b by 2a. So if discrement is equal to 0, double equal to should be there. This equal is different from this equal. Mathematically, this equal and this equal are same, but here this equal will be different from these two equals. This equal is known as assignment operator. That means here minus b divided by 2a is calculated and it is stored in the variable x1. So it is stored. So this single equal means assignment. Double equal means that is logical equal. Whether they are equal or not is tested here. So if discrement is double equal to 0, that means whether this discrement is equal to 0, then these things will be executed. So when discrement equal to 0, x1 is equal to the roots are real and equal will be printed. And x1, x2 will be calculated and the final result, the roots are percentage of f and percentage of f, x1 and x2 the same will be printed here. And next case 3 we have discussed when d is less than 0, the roots are complex, real part is this one and imaginary part is this one, and x1 is real part plus I imaginary part and x2 is real part minus I imaginary part, complex conjugates. So if discrement is less than 0, print of the roots are complex and go to the next line. Real part is minus b divided by 2a. Here some bracket and here bracket is required. Imaginary part is the square root of minus of the discrement divided by 2 times a within the bracket. The denominator should be within the bracket. Print of the roots are percentage of f plus I percentage of f. So real part will be printed here. So the roots are, first one is real part plus imaginary, I into imaginary part. And another print will be real part minus I times imaginary part. It will be printed. Next. So get CH. So this program will be run in the window, and the answer will be given in that window. If we have not written this command, it will return to this programming window. So just to wait there, we have to write this getch. This close bracket is the end of the C programming. Thank you.